Doing something different this time. Not taking the bike, we're going to just taking the 4x4, going up to Wubin, and from there we work out where we're going, and we're going to be checking out the wildflowers on the way. So stick with us and hope you enjoy. Yeah, we're just leaving Wubin, heading out to Perenjori, I think that's how you call it, and see if we can find some wildflowers. Yeah, it's been quite a good trip up so far. Sun shining, and yes. So far, a few wildflowers on the side, but nothing spectacular at this stage. Watch this space. We made it to the top. Still can't find any bloody wildflowers.
There's one over there.
Not too many secrets, please. Just take it all in, eh?
That's it.
Exactly, yeah.